Assalamu alaikum, students of class 4. I hope you all are very well. Dear students, open your active English course book. Dear students, to be continued with unit number 2, a tumbler of oil. Our today's topic is related to spelling. It's on your book's page number 27. Look at part A. Read the words with the long O sound. Dear students, listen carefully. Part A. Read the words with the long O sound. Dear students, our given words are told, cold, sold. In the next column, fold, ago, cargo. In the next column, program, protect, robot. Next, banjo, piano, open, stroll, potato, and yogurt. Now, dear students, here we have an exercise for the practice of long sound. It's part B. Fill in the blanks with the words from the word list above. Fill in the blanks with the words from the word list above. Look at the first sentence. The shopkeeper dash Tony a tumbler of oil. In the blank we'll write long O sounds word sold. Dear students, now look at sentence number 2. The shopkeeper dash Tony that his tumbler was too small. In this blank we'll write long O sound word told. Sentence number 3. Okay, next sentence number 3. It was wonderful to have a bowl of hot dash soup for dinner on a dash winter night. Dear students, in the first blank we'll write potato, and in the next blank we'll write cold. Potato and cold. Now look at the sentence number 4. Long dash. A clown played a fiddle and dashed to entertain the king. Clown means, students, comedian, and fiddle and banjo are musical instruments. So the sentence will be long ago a clown played a fiddle and banjo to entertain the king. Sentence number 5. The plane carried a dash of fresh produce. Dear students, in this blank we'll write long O sound cargo. And cargo means goods carried on a ship, aircraft, or motor vehicles. So the sentence will be the plane carried a cargo of fresh produce. Sentence number 6. The children were excited to watch a television dash on dolphins last night. Dear students, in this blank we'll write word program. So the sentence will be the children were excited to watch a television program on dolphins last night. Seventh and last sentence. Mr. Roberto invented a dash that could play the dash. Dear students, Mr. Roberto invented a robot that could play the piano. Once again, Mr. Roberto invented a robot that could play the piano. Now, dear students, your today's task is to read the words with the long O sound. And part B, fill in the blanks with the words from the word list above. It's on your book's page number 27. Hurry up, students, do it on your books and also learn it by heart. Keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.